I've been using the Picture This Plant app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Picture This app. Picture This is essentially a plant identification app that makes discovering and caring for plants simple and accessible. With over 98% accuracy, it can identify more than 400,000 plant species just by snapping a photo, instantly giving you the plant's name and detailed info. One of its strongest features is the ability to diagnose plant diseases and provide treatment advice, acting like a personal plant doctor. It also offers helpful care tips, watering reminders, and a light meter to ensure your plants thrive in the right environment. Additionally, the app warns you about toxic plants to keep your pets and family safe, and helps identify weeds with tips on removal. Plus, you can track your plant collection and even chat with experts for personalized advice. However, some users find the subscription price a bit steep and wish for more customization options like sorting plants by type or offline use. Despite these minor drawbacks, Picture This is a legit and powerful tool for both new and experienced plant lovers. Overall, it's a handy app that turns plant care into an easy and enjoyable experience. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.